The eye is the part of the body that specializes in receiving light for the whole body. So according to the Lord Jesus, if the eye is single or healthy, the entire body will be filled with light. However, if the eye is not single or is not healthy, then the entire body will be filled with darkness. Now, this is talking about the importance of our primary focus and its ability to control all we do and how we live. In the Old Testament, the number one sin that attracted judgment and punishment on the nation of Israel was the sin of idolatry. So this is where they would make graven images and set their hearts on them and worship them in place of the one and only true God. Now, by devoting their hearts and minds to these false gods, it was not unusual for them to be found with sexual sins, injustice, selfishness, etc. Because their primary focus was not on the Lord, but on idols, their entire life was filled with darkness and sin. Brothers and sisters, every attack Satan comes with is to shift our primary focus on the Lord Jesus, who is our light that shines or lights up our whole body, to anything he can find, whether it's people, material things, or even things that seem good like family, ministry, etc. The truth is, if any of these become first place in our hearts and minds, we are in idolatry. Our eye is not single, meaning that our focus is flawed, and therefore our entire life will be filled with darkness or sin. That is why we commanded to love the Lord our God with all our hearts and soul and mind and strength, and to seek his kingdom and righteousness, not second place, but first place.